Very good day, everyone. It's Kevin Mitchell from Professional Pricing Society here. And I've had a lot of questions from PPS members asking about the next PPS event. So I'm happy to announce that the 33rd annual Fall PPS Pricing Workshops and Conference will be held from October 18th to the 21st in San Francisco. And as you know, PPS, we design our events around your challenges and around your needs. So we're going to feature lots of information about inflation, about economic turmoil, about how business is changing today, and disruption and also negotiation, and a lot of other strategies and tactics to help you and your teams do your jobs better, to perform better in pricing and revenue management, and improve your margins and your profitability as well. So make sure to join us for the next PPS conference. Again, it's October 18th to the 21st in San Francisco. We will have over 80 hours of content over the 4 days. We will have 12 full day workshops. And of course, we'll have lots of opportunities for you and your team to benchmark, to network, to learn, to train, and to get the information that you need in order to do your jobs even better. So please join us. Keynotes, breakouts, town halls, and special networking sessions will be on Thursday and Friday, October 20th and 21st. Full day workshops will be on Tuesday and Wednesday, October 18th and 19th. You can reach out to me for more information. We'll be announcing a lineup soon. You can check pricingsociety.com or check with us here on LinkedIn for more information. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing everyone very soon.